Today we're talking about the latest Bugatti hypercar arriving in 2026, the incredible Bugatti Tourbillon. This isn't just another supercar, it represents a new era of Bugatti engineering and design. The Tourbillon marks a major shift, moving away from Bugatti's legendary W16 engine era. Instead, Bugatti has developed a brand new 8.3-liter V16 hybrid powertrain in partnership with Cosworth. This high-tech hybrid setup combines a naturally aspirated V16 with 3 electric motors for astonishing performance. Together the system produces an incredible 1,800 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Bugattis ever. The Tourbillon can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in about 2 seconds flat, showing its raw acceleration. It also reaches a top speed of around 445 km per hour, pushing the boundaries of modern hypercars. Bugatti has engineered this beast using advanced T800 carbon fiber for lightweight strength. Aerodynamics play a huge role in its performance, with active elements enhancing stability and speed. Only 250 hand-built examples of the Tourbillon will ever be made, making it extremely exclusive. Production and deliveries are scheduled to begin in 2026 from Bugatti's historic atelier in Molsheim, France. The design blends modern futuristic lines with Bugatti's classic aesthetic cues. Inside, the interior offers luxurious materials and a focus on driver engagement over screens. The hybrid Tourbillon also allows for a range of driving modes, from pure electric to full performance. It honors Bugatti's legacy while pointing firmly toward the future of hypercars. With its rare production run and groundbreaking technology, the Tourbillon is already a collector's dream. Its high-end engineering and exclusivity place it among the most desirable hypercars in the world. Bugatti has truly reinvented what a 2026 hypercar can be with this masterpiece. Stay tuned as this incredible Bugatti Tourbillon begins its journey into the future of automotive excellence.